Frederick Douglass was 12 years old when his enslaver said something that changed everything. He said that reading would make a slave unfit to be a slave. He meant it as a warning. Douglass heard it as a blueprint. From that moment, he treated every scrap of literacy like a weapon. He traded bread to poor white children in exchange for reading lessons. He hid books inside his clothing. He traced letters into the dirt when no one was watching. No one could take what lived inside his mind. And when the time came, he didn't escape through force. He forged documents. The written word was his key. Epictetus said it centuries earlier. The body can be chained. The mind cannot. Freedom is not something given to you. It is something you build, quietly, deliberately, in the space no one else can reach. Douglass proved it. The most powerful thing you own is not your circumstances. It is what you choose to develop inside them. That is something no one can confiscate.